Hi guys, it's Kristin with apokreations, and I finally got my dual head resin mixer from Resiners. So I am going to unbox it. Not that you haven't seen it already, but I'm super excited, and I just wanted to show everybody that might not have seen other creators' unboxing videos. So when you unbox it, everything's right there. It's got the warranty card with all of the information. If anything ever goes wrong, you can reach out to Resiners. And they have a really fabulous set of instructions. It does go step by step, what you have to do, which way you have to turn the little leg thingies. And then it even goes into what you need to do to mix your resin. So I have to say, I absolutely love that it comes with a screwdriver, because I'm constantly looking around to find one. And so now I put them all in one of the drawers in one of my IKEA chests. And yes, I got the purple one because purple's my favorite. So that is the top. This one I just laid down is the bottom. There's the leg thingies that lock in. And what you do is you put them in there and you push them down and then just twist in whatever direction it shows for that particular leg. Sorry, my face just got in there. That is the little silicone mat that goes on the bottom. So once you get those riser arms locked in, you need to just line up the bottom of the machine and then push down really hard until you hear a click. Now the bag contains the screwdriver, 2 screws, and then 2, they're just like little rubber stoppers that go in to cover the screw holes to protect them. Oh, and there I am chasing that screw around my mat. But yeah, this is a super, super easy setup. Anybody can do it. And if for some reason you're like me and you're not one of those, and you're one of those folks that doesn't read the instructions, it's still relatively painless. But I'm always one of those people that I have to at least look at the pictures to see what I'm doing. And that button on the back is what you push in to raise and lower it. And if you are having some difficulty putting the silicone mat down, each of the sections where the holes are have little slits that you just pull apart so you can get it under the, or around the arms. And here are the paddles. You get 2 big ones and 2 small ones. And I like these ones better than their old ones, because these ones, you just twist them the opposite way and the resin will pop right off. Super easy cleanup. It really is an amazing product. And the paddle arms are really easy as well. There's a little notch. It's honestly, it is like putting your mixer paddles onto your handheld mixer. You just line up the arms and pop it in there. And like for me, I figured, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and put a small one on one side and a big one on the other, just to be, you know, just so no matter what I do, I'm always covered. And that is it in action. You can go up to, if you listen to Lula, which we all do, she calls it ludicrous speed. And it really is really fast. But yeah, see, that's what I was just talking about. It's got those slits. So you just lay it down over it. But yeah, so the link to Resiners will be in the description below. And I will make sure that I leave both the regular Resiners website link as well as their link on Amazon. So definitely worth the money. So give it a shot. You guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you for the next one.